Okay, hello friends, this is Yusuf again. Welcome to part 8 of our AWS Serverless crash course. So in the last video, we created a DynamoDB and we even created a IAM policy for reading the record, and we have written this piece of small JavaScript code to read it from the DynamoDB, right? So we made one mistake that in the callback function we did not give the variable. That's why it gave the result as null, but we got the result from this console log. Okay, so let's give a proper callback this time and save it and test it. So while testing it now, we can see now the data is coming correctly. Where is the data? Let's test it. Okay, so as we have seen in the last video, the data is coming in the format of DynamoDB JSON, which we will change in a couple of minutes. Before that, now as we said, this objective of this video is to connect via API Gateway. Let's go to the services and then click API Gateway in a new tab. Okay, give it a minute. Okay, let's go to the API tutorial which we are following along. And for this we're going to create a new resource itself. Okay, we are going to do from scratch. I say the resource name is to dos. Okay, and then I click create a resource. We got the resource, and then let's click on that resource and then go to actions and create method, and I want to have a get method. Okay, click OK. Now we got the method. So here we're gonna link it to the Lambda function from AP Southeast one. The Lambda function is get to do Lambda. Save it. It's asking permission. Let's give OK, and this should be set. So now we have a Lambda function which is going to hit a get to do Lambda and give the response. So we are not going to do anything much. Let's go to test it. Okay, and there is no query parameter, there is no request body, it's a get method. We will hit the test button and we got the response. Cool. So now you can understand how easy it is to connect the API gateway and the Lambda function. Now we're going to make it a little bit different because we want to return the proper response. Okay, so let's change the code for that. Okay, here we gonna what I'm going to do. So response.items is going to be an array. Okay, and each array is going to be an object. Okay, so each object will have the column names and its values. Okay, fine. So what I'm going to do here, let to do data is equals to, I'm going to create a new array. Okay, which is going to have extract the data from this particular data variable. Okay, so data dot items. Okay, items dot okay, data dot items is nothing but the array itself. Okay, dot map. I'm going to use a map method, which is JavaScript method, which will take a function, and the function will have each array data as argument. Okay, so here I say to do, I can give any name, and let me click arrow function. So for each to do, so here the to do means this one particular object. Okay, I'm gonna return a new object for this. Okay, so I say return, I'm going to return something like okay, what I want to do id. Okay, the value is going to come from to do, which is this to do. Okay, dot to do id, that is actually here. Okay, dot yes, because yes is going to be the key for which the value will come. Okay, and similarly I'm going to have to do name, to do dot to do name dot yes. Okay, and then I'm going to have to do description, to do dot to do description dot yes. Okay, then to do status, I'm going to have to do dot to do completed dot bool. So now what will happen for each to do, which is nothing but for each this object, will reconstruct the response in a different and then return the data which will coming into the to do data. I copy this one and put it in the callback, and let's save this and test it. So now we get a proper key value pair as a JSON result. Okay, so since it's working here, if we go to the API gateway and then just retest again, where is it? Here, test. Now we should be able to get the data. Okay, So that's a quick introduction on connecting everything together. Okay. Now we are pending with one more thing, which is to create the new record in DynamoDB using Lambda function and connecting to API gateway. So that we are going to do next video, which is part 9, and probably in part 10 we'll deploy this API and test it from Postman, and then we'll finish it. Okay, so I hope you are you will learn something new in this series. I hope it's helpful for you. If you are watching in future, I hope it will be useful for you. Okay, so that's it for this video. It's a quick video, but still I want to show these things, and I'll see you in the next video in a quick time. Okay, thanks for watching.